Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is data management. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is data management? Data management refers to all functions necessary to collect, control, safeguard, manipulate, and deliver data. Data management systems include databases, data warehouses, and data marts, tools for data collection, storage, and retrieval, and utilities to assist with validation, quality, and integration with applications and analytical tools. Businesses need a data strategy to establish accountability for data that originates or is endemic to particular areas of responsibility. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is data management is all about. Thank you so much for your watching and supporting my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.